All right, guys, we got it done. So usually we go with white. This time I wanted it to be not like super bright and stuff, so we went with this black, and it's kind of like a dark grayish color. Anyway, really dig it. Um, kind of subtle, but you can still see peak performance. I love it. And then these turned out really cool being black too this time. So I was a little bit worried how this was going to fit with that gas cap, but I was even thinking maybe I'd have to like put half the sticker on the gas cap, but this one fits. It's fine. That way if I upgrade to like one of the black aluminum covers or something too, it'll all work. So pretty cool. This one looks better because there's no gas cap, but yeah, I'm digging it. So Lewis just called me, told me that he drove the death cart to work today. And apparently he had some issues with the headlights stopped working. He had to freaking drive at like 6 in the morning to work without headlights. So we're going to try to figure that out. And hopefully it's an easy fix. Hopefully it's something stupid like a ground. But could be that those lights just simply went bad. They're just some Amazon Jeep off-road headlights or whatever. So we'll see. Just waiting for my daughter to get home from volleyball, and we are about to be heading out right to Woodward with the Mustang, and then Lewis and his fam's going to meet us out there. Maybe my buddy Ryan, his little Civic, and should be an awesome night. Weather's great, so we're ready to just kick back, see some cool cars. Mustang is looking freaking fire, so I just cleaned it up a little bit, and we got these decals on. They're looking awesome, so pretty stoked how it all came out. Looking nice. So yeah, gotta get some gas in this thing, get on down to Woodward, and yeah, I'm really liking the way this turned out too. So I think the white would have been like too obnoxious. This is just kind of like subtle, but you can still see it pretty well, so pretty sweet.